Thank you so much. Salamat sa pag-share. Thank you, thank you. Let's go. Aming, nggak ngerti juga sih. Let it fall. Karena Aming yang komedian ya. My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and just say, siapa yang Aming? Aku? My hands, that's strong, huh? But my knees were far too weak. Si Aming sama si Julita gitu? To stand, baby, in your arms. What? Without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you. Oi, jangan nangis ya, Jul. Minum well. You'd say they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win, always be. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there. Close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true. And the games you'd play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw ice into the flames. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Peppa Pig. Last night. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you got must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, Sherry. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw ice into the flames, Sherry. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Last time. Oh, 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 no. Let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn. Oh, I have her CD, so I used to play a lot of her songs in my car, in the car. Complicated. Okay. So yeah, shout out everyone. I'm Dana Kino C. Welcome to my live. Thank you so much again for the 3 stars. Thank you to those of you that voted in the box below, where I'm currently a top 2 for the Philippine Gala 2024 MC and Performers Round 1. Free votes and gift votes are all appreciated, so thank you so much. Oh yeah, when I do the high notes, because my voice is a bit strained. Agak sara karini, maaf. All right, let's do Complicated next. This is by Avril Lavigne as requested. Let's go. Let's go. My favorite song. Yeah. Anyak si Ali, hello. I'll try. After this, we'll see. Chill out, watch I for. Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you'll see I like you the way you are when we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you've become somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Jerryella, tell me, why'd you have to come make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like it's somebody else. It's me frustrated. Life's like this, you and you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promised me I'm never gonna find you again. No, no, no. Jerry, thank you. You come over unannounced, dressed up like you're something else, but you aren't where it's at. You see, you're making me laugh out when you strike your pose. Take off all your Jerry Gracias. You know you're not fooling anyone. You become somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. He wants to go away. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. When you go out, I just have to go make things so complicated. See the way you're acting like it's somebody else. To me frustrated. Life's like this, you and you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promised me I'm never gonna find you again. No, no, no. GS, good morning. Jerry, Bams. No, no, no. No, no. Should love what I yearn for. Way back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you'll see somebody else around everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. And tell me, why'd you have to go make things so complicated? See the way you're acting like it's somebody else. It's me frustrated. Life's like this, you and you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promised me I'm never gonna find you again. No, no, no. Thank you so much, Penny. Oi, Penny K. Guys, don't forget to follow Penny. She's also a Bigo host, a follow and support her. Jerry, gracias. Joe Prince, I was complicated by Avril Lavigne as requested. Express, I'm Dana Kinosi. Welcome to my live, everybody. Thank you for the 3 stars. Thank you to those of you that voted in the box below, where I'm currently a top 2 for the Philippine Gala 2024 MC Performers Round 1. Free votes or gift votes are all appreciated. Oh, yeah? Good song. Thank you so much, Jerry Express. Next up, I'm going to sing for you